That's from us. Yeah, did you see that funnel into the garbage can?
Yeah.
That's from people walking down there to the garbage can and the occasional pot smoker that likes to come up here. There's a lot of them.
I bet. There's your picture, Jack.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not looking around.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
Are you scared of heights?
Yeah.
Oh.
Open heights like this.
I mean, you're pretty safe, dude.
As long as I can see that ground, I'm good.
So you can't do airplanes?
Oh, I do airplanes.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I do.
Because they're enclosed.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You can't do Ferris wheels.
Really?
Yeah, I'm the first person.
I've never really understood
And like
fear of
sky
heights.
towers to go up and...
Like, are you afraid you're gonna fall?
Just there's nothing behind you.
You're
Feel
afraid
like
about
floating.
falling, about afraid of landing.
Yeah, afraid of that sudden stop.
Yeah, well, I had that sudden stop on the zip line. That was a hell of a
Actually,
stop.
this ain't too bad.
It's the best when this stops and you swing.
This ain't too bad.
He's really hoping. Oh, am I gonna miss the flyer?
No, it's gonna zoom like constantly.
Am I gonna see it?
Yeah. I mean, you'll see him coming down really good.
Okay. A little bit.
She's scared. The kids stop moving.
I got that on the ride up.
Oh, did
He's
you?
like, yeah. He's like, stop, turn around, stop moving.
My girlfriend hates heights too, don't worry. When we go snowboarding, I rock the crap out of this thing. It's so much fun. Oh, how'd the garbage can get knocked over?
How the hell did that happen?
Deer. Deer?
Maybe a raccoon will come down.
Oh man.
I saw a bunny.
That is how the hell did that happen?
Some guy came from the water park and kicked it over. I don't know.
That is really
This
cool,
bottle's
though.
Still going down there.
The ghost of the guy who got killed.
Oh yeah, right there. You can see how overgrown with bush this is. It's just
Yeah.
I'm just moving forward, all right? You all right?
You don't fall out, that's on you.
Hurry up.
Yes.
Five. So what they do, they dig it up there, huh?
Mhm.
Covered it over?
Yep.
Oh, to make the road?
Yeah. What is that, 15 years ago it closed?
16 minutes.
Yeah, you
When I was
actually,
4.
Well, it's like river
Go on.
country.
yeah.
All the new protocols came out, so they closed all the good stuff. Well, after he died, that was not really good.
Yeah, I know, man. Look at that. You get some air off of that thing.
I believe this is where the guy hopped up and died, honestly. I think he didn't break down the whole mountain, he just went.
That would be like the most likely spot.
Groundhog.
Oh, look at him.
He's cruising. He's ready for the e-ticket ride.
There's your footprints walking on the... Where'd he go?
I mean, these things
He's
probably
under the
underneath
brush.
the ride. Oh, yeah, I can hear him. I feel like if you fell right here, you wouldn't get that hurt.
Nah.
Well, yeah, you could, because there was a big, huge rock
Well, I
that
mean,
I saw on the way up
there's
under
huge
this.
rocks here, but, like maybe like right here where it's all
Another
like just...
groundhog? No, it's a bunny rabbit.
It's groundhog.
Oh, it's a baby one.
As if she can hear him.
That's a pretty name though, just Sally.
So does
Man,
Camelback
still
actually
goes.
have a hotel here, or is it just the parks?
It's just the park, actually.
It's
They
not a
wanna build a
hotel.
resort.
Okay.
Which I think that'd be in their best interest. That'd make a lot of money.
Yeah,
from
that
it.
would be a lot of money.
I think still going.
Yep. Goes all the way through there.
Back there, it used to be covered.
Is that a house? That brown thing up straight ahead, like over to the left,
Yep. Right there.
peeking out?
Beautiful view too. They have a great view.
My ears just popped.
It's a little chipmunk right there. Had to be a chipmunk.
Did it have a striped tail?
Yeah, it did.
There was one in our Jersey property.
It was about
We
that
saw.
big. A little chipmunk.
But yeah, they got striped tails.
It had the black and white back. No, I don't see chipmunks. I see deer all the time.
Every day I assist the lifeguard to recognize emergencies. Please don't be alarmed if you see me in the water. You can see me anywhere as I enjoy riding and flying on all the attractions. If you do see me, please allow me to do my job without distractions. Enjoy your day at Camel Beach. I'm sure I'll be seeing you around. Oh, and by the way, please applaud the lifeguards when you see them rescue me because it shows they're doing a good job.
Come on, zip flyer, you gotta come out again.
Nah, it didn't even go back yet.
Oh, really?
Yeah, no, we need to go down a little bit. That close.
Oh, wow.
There was one, we went to the casino, and on that access
We don't know if you're humans yet. You know what
Are you ready?
ready, jump!
I mean?